Good morning, children. Welcome back to the next learning. And today we are going to learn about the political part of social science. And in this political science, you may be learning what is political science, and especially in this first chapter, which is titled Meaning and Importance of Political Science. In this lesson, we are going to learn about 4 main points. The first one is concept of political science. Second is process of development in political science. Third one is political thinker and their contribution. And the last is the importance of political science. So first we will be learning what is political science. Political science is one of the social sciences dealing with the political activities of man, and it deals with the state and government. It studies the origin and nature of state and forms of political institutions. The study of state is the main subject matter of political science. As a subject of study, political science began with the Greeks. Though Egyptians, Babylonians, Persians, Indians, and Chinese have mentioned their ideas or thought about politics much earlier to Greeks, they failed to develop it as a systematic study. Politics was given the status of an independent science by Greeks. Here we see that Greek philosophers Socrates and Plato were great political thinkers. Plato, in his famous book which is known as Republic, for the first time discussed the nature and functions of state and government. And the Aristotle, the ancient Greek thinker, who is the student of Plato, is recognized as the father of political science for his valuable contributions of its growth and development. He wrote the first treatise in political science, which is called the Politics. In his famous book, Aristotle discussed the origin, development, and functions of the state. Kautilya's work on economics also has more information about political principles. Greeks used the term politics for the study of state. The term politics is derived from the Greek word polis, which means city-state, and therefore a subject which deals with the affairs of city-state and its working was called politics by ancient Greeks. However, in modern times, scholars have preferred to use the term political science for the study. Here, the word politics is derived from the Greek word polis, which means city-state. So, the modern times scholars have preferred that to use the term political science for the study of city-state or the government. And political science studies the origin, development, nature, administration, type, scope of a state, and rights and duties of the citizens. Again, political science is study of all facets of state. What do you mean by facets? Facets means an aspect of something. So political science is the study of all the aspects of the state. And political science is also the study of past, present, the future of political institutions, political functions, and political theories. The study of state, government, and human political activities is called as political science. Children, are you following the class? Next, we are going to learn about the importance of political science. The knowledge of political science is very essential in the present age. And the progress and development of a state depends upon the thinking, knowledge, and political involvement of the people. So the knowledge how much we are having and the thinking capacity and the political involvement of the people is the progress and development of a state. And there are few points in importance of political science. You can learn one by one. The first one is political science helps. Political science is providing much information about the type of governments and the political activities involved in the functions of the state. At the same time, it is helping us to understand the birth rate and growth of a state. And the second one is political science provides information about the origin and development of ideas such as monarchy, freedom, justice, laws, equality, good government, wars and peace, etc. So here the political leaders they are providing information about the origin and the development of ideas such as monarchy, freedom, justice and laws, equality, good government and where to have wars and peace, etc. Recently we are having problematic with China that we are aware of. So whether it has to be conducted war or it can be solved by making peace within both countries. So the political party they have to take decision and they have to provide information about it. And the third point is it also provides information about the structure and functions of the state and government. To understand the birth and growth of your state, it provides information about the type of government and political activities involved in the functions of the state. And the next one is political science is providing much information about the type of governments and the political activities involved in the functions of the state. At the same time, it is helping us to understand the birth rate and growth of a state. And the second one is political science provides information about the origin and development of ideas such as monarchy, freedom, justice, laws, equality, good government, wars and peace, etc. So here the political leaders they are providing information about the origin and the development of ideas such as monarchy, freedom, justice and laws, equality, good government and where to have wars and peace, etc. Recently, we are having problematic with China that we are aware of. So whether it has to be conducted war or it can be solved by making peace within both countries. So the political party they have to take decision and they have to provide information about it. And the third point is it also provides information about the structure and functions of the state and government. The next one is In the light of the past and the present activities of the government, political science helps to plan the future activities of the state. It also helps to establish a modern welfare state. So, here, according to the past and present activities of the government, they can plan out for the future activities for the welfarement of state. And the next one is political science provides knowledge of the constitution and laws of the state. So here the political parties, for example, BJP, Congress, etc. These are the people. Political science provides knowledge of the constitution and laws of the state. So by knowing the political science, it is providing us the knowledge of constitution and laws of the state. The next one is political science helps us to understand the organs of the government, that are legislature, executive and judiciary and their functions. Already we have learned in the 6th standard what are the organs of the government and what are its functions. So you may be knowing about the organs of the government, that are legislature, executive and judiciary. And also it helps us to understand its functions. Political science develops political consciousness among the people. It keeps the government and the people politically alert and active. The next one is the knowledge of political science helps leaders and civil servants to understand and solve the problems of the people effectively. When the political leaders are knowledgeable, they are able to lead the people in a better way. At the same time, the knowledge of political science helps us to raise good leadership and good citizen. When the people are knowledgeable about political level, they are becoming a good leaders and they are becoming as good citizens of the state. So the knowledge of political science is very, very important to make the good leadership and good citizens of the states. And political science helps us to understand the important political institutions like political parties, federations and local bodies. Local bodies are, for example, BJP and Congress, etc. The political science deals with the ideologies which inspires and influence political involvement of people. Political science provides knowledge of international relations, especially the occurrence of wars among the nations and the importance of peace and cooperation. So, this political science is providing us the knowledge of international relationship, at the same time cooperation and peaceful relationship between the nations. So the study of political science is helping us to understand the need of a state, good governance of the state, and also the role of the leaders and people's participation. And it helps the people to become good, responsible, cultured and active citizens of the state. The knowledge of political science contributes to the establishment of a just, peaceful, progressive and happy state, which is the dream of millions and millions of people for a long time everywhere. So, the study of political science is very, very important. By this we end the lesson. Thanks.